Welcome back. You are watching Community Roundup, and I'm Radhika Vasudeva. The Thai name has reached a whole different level in not just the South Asian community, but with people from different backgrounds as well. It is an association that brings together entrepreneurs from all different age ranges, and recently ThaiCon 2011 was held in the Bay Area, California. Today we are bringing you part of the story. TV Asia's Bay Bureau covered the event. One big aspect about Thai is the relationships and connections that it forms between people who are part of this association. A significant relationship is the one between the mentors and the mentees. Reena Rao spoke to some of these mentors and mentees to see how this relationship is a two-way street and how both benefit and support each other.
We are here to talk about how Thai has connected the mentors and mentees and how that whole thing has gone down to different generations and build up successful companies. So starting with you, Mr. Raju, can you tell us your experience with your mentor and what's the role of a mentor in your life?
So I started my company in 1993, and just late last year, end of last year, December 31st, my company Sierra Atlantic was acquired by Hitachi Consulting. So it's been a fairly long journey for me, well over 17 years, and I've been very, very fortunate indeed to have this wonderful system of mentor-mentee relationships that Thai as a platform provides, and in particular very fortunate to have Kanwal Rekhi as my mentor for almost 15 years through this course of my journey in building the company. Well, Kanwal is
Silicon Valley.
That's right. Kanwal is such a legend today, but even back in those days, he was needless to say the most sought after mentor of all the folks in the Thai community. I don't think Thai had a very formal structure at the time in terms of the mentor-mentee organization back then, but Kanwal was so well known, and once he got engaged with the company, of course, as I mentioned earlier, it's been a very long journey indeed, for about 15 years. And right from the time of raising venture money to doing the deal, when Hitachi Consulting bought my company, Kanwal was very actively involved. And I still recall Kanwal in his sort of wonderful wisdom in his way back in '99 when the company was doing well, and that's when we decided to go for venture capital. Kanwal, in his words, I don't know if he still remembers that, but remember he said, you can't launch a rocket unless you burn enough fuel. So this is the time to go get some fuel, because that's how you can grow a company.
So as a person, it's not a selfless move in the sense that I am teaching, I am mentoring, and I am great. It's also I am staying young. I'm trying to keep up with the day. I'm learning the new way of thinking, and then you synthesize with your own thinking, and when you mentor several people, you become a very broad person. You start to crossbreed ideas from here to there to there, and also you start to see a pattern, which is more current and more germane at that given time, right? South Asians were not entrepreneurs, and they weren't seen as entrepreneurs, and they weren't getting the seat on the head table. But now the Indian actors have become the mainstream. They are seen as entrepreneurs, they are seen as VCs. So this thing that we set out to do, by and large, has been accomplished. So we need to sort of remission ourselves, because how do we become, stay relevant, in this new age? How do we make sure the younger people are joining the Thai and keeping the Thai? Same thing I said earlier. Everybody has to grow. In the changing times.
I think it's really important to pay it forward, and we were absolutely humbled. All three of the co-founders of Cognivision, we became charter members in Thai Toronto, and now is our opportunity to start giving back. But at the same time, we're not done, right? Like there's always room to grow. I certainly hope that I think mentees don't think that once you have an exit, you're done. I wish to grow my mentor-mentee relationship with Raju over the years for what's next and how we go professionally and personally. It's a two-way street. I think what was very important was we didn't rely on, Raju's only going to give us advice and we're going to wait for Raju to call us or anything like that. We made it sure that we would call Raju, we would keep him updated on the progress during the good times, during the hard times, and not only that, there were certain accolades along the way that we all shared, I think, the success in. For example, Cognivision, the company, was by accident. It was because we had that mentorship and guidance along the way, and we put our hearts and souls into this. So it is a two-way street, and you have to keep the lines of communication open. And
Make sure you stay tuned to community.